guys, it's Juliana Palencia, aka Jujubee. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I blow out my naturally curly hair. Here's my hair in its natural state, and by the way guys, I'm so sorry for that clicking noise you may hear throughout the video. My dogs chewed my microphone, so you can hear the lens focusing. My hair feels so soft, like I can easily comb through it with a rat tail comb without it like feeling like it's breaking off or anything like that. My hair is so soft and super hydrated, really moisturized, and I can say that most of the time when I do blowouts, my hair does not feel good. I don't know about you guys, but my blowouts tend to be really crunchy and my hair feels very dry, but this actually feels really good. My hair feels so healthy and really soft. So I'm going to show you guys how I get it like this. Enough of me talking, I'm going to get into the video. But first, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more from me. So let's get into the video. Is my hair, I've already blow dried it and my hair feels so soft. Very rarely after I'm done blow drying my hair can I take like a comb like this and just comb it through like this without feeling like my hair is breaking off. So my hair is so moisturized, it doesn't feel damaged at all. This didn't take me that long to do at all, maybe like, how long do you think? Maybe like 30 minutes to do, so it didn't take that long. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. I'm just going to put this away first. So to blow dry my hair, I used the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler, and Natural 85 recommended this. She, not personally, but through her videos, she uses this on her hair. I got it off of Amazon for I think like $30–40, so it's really affordable. What I really like about this is that the setting that I use it on for most of the time is low, and that setting is super mild. I don't feel like the heat's just right. I really don't like blowing out my hair for the most part because I don't want to heat damage it. So I feel really comfortable using this, and I feel like if I use this, maybe I could blow out my hair more often. I'm going to show you guys what I did. I'm using 3 products to prep my hair for this blowout. The first one is the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Thermal Protectant Cream. So I just apply a little bit of this all over my hair, and that is just to re-moisturize my hair. I feel like the Thermal Protectant Cream does a really good job at moisturizing my hair, but without like weighing it down or making it sticky, because certain products, they don't really work well on blowing out hair. They can work well for washing up, but when you blow your hair out, it's just like really sticky. Also, to prep my hair last night, I washed, conditioned, detangled, and then I deep conditioned my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Mask, and I sat underneath my steamer for around 20 minutes. And then I rinsed all the products out of my hair and put my hair into braids. So now I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Weightless Thermal Protectant Serum. And I take around 2 to 3 pumps of this and apply it to the section. And this, I feel like it really helps to reduce the friction on my hair from the blow dryer. Both of those are heat protectants. And then I have a third heat protectant because you guys know I'm definitely afraid of heat damage. So this is the Chi 44 Iron Guard. One thing I like about these two is that they're not watery products, but the Chi is very watery and it kind of re-wets my hair. So I'm gonna try to spray this from a distance, and I'm gonna put a little bit more on my ends because when I air dried my hair, my ends dry the fastest. So I'm gonna spray, I sprayed a little bit more on my ends so that it can be as wet as the roots. And now I'm going to turn this Revlon blow dryer on low heat. It has 3 settings, cool, low, and high. I'm going to turn it on low and just brush it through. So now that my hair is mostly dry, you can see I have still quite a bit of texture in there. And so what I'm gonna do is kind of blast it with the high heat, but not for that long. Just for maybe around like 10 to 12 brushes, because the high heat is a little bit higher temperature for my comfort. I'm just gonna do it for a few seconds to try to get the texture out of my hair. So here we go. It took a bit of the texture out of my hair. I do still have a bit of texture. I'm just trying to stretch my hair out. I'm not trying to look like that I'm replicating a flat iron look without flat iron in my hair. I'm strictly trying to stretch out my hair. So if you're trying to get like no curl pattern or to have like a completely stretched out sleek look, but this is a routine to do if you want to have minimal heat on your hair and to like really care about the health of your hair, just so that you can get stretched out.
Drink from my sunshine, sip from my rainbows, deliciously mango. I think it's a syndrome, got me so blown. Show me the door, how far can you fall? Freedom in galaxies, backed out by fantasies, signs that were made for me.
So here is my hair all blown out and all finished. I'm going to trim my hair and I will be right back.
This is reality, I live my dreams.
So here are the final results for my blowout. My hair felt so soft and really prepped for the next hairstyle I'm going to do, which I want you guys to guess down in the comments what you think I'm going to do next. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and for being here with me, and I really hope you guys have a great day. Bye!
Myself and I evolving time till day I die. Yes, I know reasons why I can't. Won't work that standard